In this video, I want to talk about how you can search and redeem Temu referral codes. Now to do this, what I suggest you do, and this is the easiest way, is you just need your friend to give you the referral one. So if your friend goes in and gets his referral code, so you can go and search for Temu affiliates, head over here and they sign up. Once they sign up, they will get referral codes. So these will be the referral codes, and you can see they have the big bundles, all of these. You can just copy this and send it to you, and then you will be able to click on it and it will automatically use the code. Now the second option is you can go on Reddit or you can go on YouTube, and I'm sure people will have posted it in there. Now if you want, you can also go get referral codes here that you can send to your friends, or if you have a following somewhere, you can send it there. And you can see what the bundles are for here. And you can also see new app users, and this is for all users. So this is the way that it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.